In this video we will talk about baking soda, benefits of baking soda, healh benefits of baking soda. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Baking soda is an alkaline white powder that's ubiquitous in modern kitchens. Its rise is largely credited to one big brand. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is widely used in baking, and this is because it has leavening properties, meaning it causes dough to rise by producing carbon dioxide. Health benefits of baking soda. 1. Baking soda is a natural antacid. One of the baking soda benefits includes neutralizing agent. Acid reflux is a common condition where stomach acid flows from the stomach back into the esophagus. This process of acid may irritate your esophagus and cause heartburn, a burning feeling that can occur anywhere between the abdomen and throat. Sodium bicarbonate in baking soda neutralizes the stomach acid and relieves the many symptoms of acid reflux and other stomach-related issues. 2. Treat heartburn. Heartburn is also known as acid reflux. It is a painful, burning sensation that rises in the upper region of your stomach and can spread up into your throat. It is caused by acid refluxing out of the stomach and up your esophagus, the tube that connects your stomach to your mouth. Baking soda can help treat heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of cold water and drink the mixture slowly. 3. Known to be a natural alkalizing agent. It is known to be a natural alkalizing agent. This non-toxic substance is used to reduce the effect of acid and inflammation in the body and treat most ailments. It is one of the best natural remedies for balancing the body's pH level and for improving overall health. Excess acid in the body can up the risk of osteoporosis, arthritis. 4. Helps alleviate urinary tract infections. Baking soda and water solution is known to act as a protective barrier against urinary tract infections. It is due to its ability to reduce acid levels in urine. UTI, which is a very common condition that develops in women, this inexpensive remedy comes handy to you. 5. Mouthwash. Mouthwash is a great addition to a good oral hygiene routine. It reaches corners of your mouth and crevices of your teeth, gums and tongue that may be missed during brushing. Many use baking soda as a replacement for mouthwash. It can help freshen your breath and provides antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Just add half a teaspoon of baking soda to half a glass of warm water, and then swish as usual. 6. Soothe canker sores. Canker sores are small, painful ulcers that can form inside your mouth. Unlike cold sores, canker sores do not form on the lips and aren't contagious. You can make baking soda mouthwash using the recipe in the previous chapter. Rinse your mouth with this mixture once a day until the canker sore heals. 7. It is known to be an exercise enhancer. The lactic acid released during physical activity or rigorous workouts has a tendency to accumulate in muscles and joints, creating stiffness and muscular fatigue. To prevent this from happening and affecting your physical performance, baking soda benefits come to your rescue. Drinking baking soda diluted in water can help control the condition. 8. Treats gout and other joint problems. High levels of uric acid in the urine and blood in tissues throughout the body cause pain and chronic diseases like arthritis and gout. Baking soda helps neutralize the excess acid and is used as an effective remedy. 9. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda is a popular home remedy for whitening teeth. This is likely because baking soda has mild abrasive properties that let it break the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth. It also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. 10. Boosts kidney function. As an alkaline substance, baking soda reduces acid levels in the body and helps to keep the pH levels in check. The rate of decline in kidney function reduces about 2/3 slower than in patients who don't take baking soda. 11. Relieve itchy skin and sunburns. Use baking soda to bath in order to soothe itchy skin. These baths are especially effective at soothing itches from bug bites and bee stings. To make a baking soda bath, add 1 to 2 cups of baking soda to a lukewarm bath. Make sure the affected area is soaked thoroughly. Home use of baking soda. 1. Neutralize fridge odors. Some food stuff in your fridge have overstayed and started spoiling. This foul odor may stick around long after emptying the fridge and cleaning it thoroughly. Baking soda can help freshen a smelly fridge by neutralizing bad odors. It interacts with the odor particles to eliminate them, rather than just masking their smell. Fill a cup with baking soda and place it in the back of your fridge to neutralize bad odors. 2. Air freshener. Not all commercial air fresheners eliminate bad odors. Instead, some simply release fragrance molecules that mask bad smells. Baking soda is an excellent and safe alternative to commercial air fresheners. It interacts with odor particles and neutralizes them, rather than masking them. To create a baking soda air freshener, you will need a small jar, 1/3 cup baking soda, 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oils, a piece of cloth or paper string or ribbon. Add the baking soda and essential oils to the jar. Cover it with the cloth or paper, and then secure it in place with the string. When the scent starts to fade, give the jar a shake. 3. Whiten your laundry. Baking soda is an inexpensive way to whiten and clean your laundry. Baking soda is an alkali, a soluble salt that can help remove dirt and stains. When dissolved in water, an alkali such as baking soda can interact with acids from stains and help remove them. Add half a cup of baking soda to your regular amount of laundry detergent. It also helps soften the water, which means you may need less detergent than usual. 43. 4. Kitchen cleaner. The versatility of baking soda makes it a great kitchen cleaner. Not only can it remove tough stains, it also helps eliminate foul odors. To use baking soda in your kitchen, make a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water. Apply the paste to the desired surface with a sponge or cloth and scrub thoroughly. Use baking soda to clean stains of kitchen tiles, clogged drains, tarnished silver, microwaves, oven, stained coffee cups, stained marble, grease stains. 5. Eliminate garbage odor. Garbage bags often have a putrid odor because they contain a variety of decaying waste products. Unfortunately, this odor can spread to your kitchen and other areas of your home. Baking soda can help eliminate garbage odors. These odors are often acidic, so baking soda can interact with odor molecules and neutralize them. 6. Remove stubborn carpet stains. If you combine baking soda and vinegar, can remove the most stubborn carpet stains. When baking soda and vinegar are mixed, they create a compound called carbonic acid, which is a common ingredient in cleaning products. How to remove stubborn carpet stains with baking soda and vinegar. First, cover the carpet stain with a thin layer of baking soda. Next, fill an empty spray bottle with a 1-to-1 mixture of vinegar and water and spray over the stained area. Wait up to an hour or until the surface becomes dry. Scrub the baking soda loose with a brush and vacuum the residue. The stain should now be completely removed. 7. Multi-purpose bathroom cleaner. Like kitchens, bathrooms can be difficult to clean. They have a variety of surfaces that are frequently used and thus need to be cleaned often. Baking soda whitens and disinfects bathroom surfaces. Surfaces you can clean with baking soda: bathroom tiles, toilets, showers, bathtubs, bathroom sinks. Make a paste using baking soda and a bit of water. Using a sponge or a cloth, rub the mixture thoroughly onto the surface you want to clean. Wipe down the surface 15 to 20 minutes later with a damp cloth. 8. Clean fruits and veggies. Many people worry about pesticides on foods. Pesticides are used to prevent crops from damage by insects, germs, rodents and weeds. Peeling fruit is the best way to remove pesticides. However, it also means you don't get the important nutrients, such as fiber, vitamins and minerals, found in the skins of many fruits. Soaking fruits and veggies in a baking soda wash is the most effective way to remove pesticides without peeling them. 9. Polish silverware. Baking soda is a handy alternative to commercial silver polishes. For this you will need an aluminum baking pan or a baking dish lined with aluminum foil, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Add the baking soda to the aluminum baking pan and slowly pour in the vinegar. Next, pour in the boiling water and then place the silver in the baking pan. Almost immediately, the tarnish should begin to disappear, and you can remove most silverware from the pan within seconds. Heavily tarnished silverware may need to sit in the mixture for up to a minute. 10. Save a scorched pot. Many people have inadvertently scorched the bottom of a pot while cooking. These can be a nightmare to clean. Fortunately, you can save a scorched pot easily with baking soda and water. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the bottom of the pot and add enough water to cover the burnt areas. Bring the mixture to a boil and empty the pan as usual. If stains remain, grab a scourer, add a small amount of washing liquid and gently remove the remaining burnt bits. 11. Extinguish oil and grease fires. Interestingly, some fire extinguishers contain baking soda, as they are known as dry chemical fire extinguishers and are used to extinguish oil, grease and electrical fires. Baking soda reacts with the heat to produce carbon dioxide, which smothers and extinguishes the fire. This means that baking soda can be used to extinguish small oil and grease fires. However, don't expect baking soda to extinguish larger house fires. Larger fires draw in more oxygen and can counter the effects of baking soda. 12. Homemade weed killer. Weeds are pesky plants that can grow in the cracks of your walkways and driveways. They often have deep roots, making them hard to kill without using a chemical weed killer. You can use baking soda as a cheaper and safer alternative. That's because baking soda is high in sodium, which creates a harsh environment for weeds. Sprinkle a few handfuls of baking soda over weeds that are growing in the cracks of your sidewalk, driveways and other weed-infested areas. However, avoid using baking soda to kill weeds in your flower beds and gardens, as it may kill your other plants as well. 13. Shoe deodorizer. Having stinky shoes is a common problem that can be quite embarrassing. Baking soda is also a great remedy for freshening up stinky shoes. Pour 2 tablespoons of baking soda into 2 cheesecloths or thin pieces of fabric. Secure the cloths with a rubber band or string and place one in each shoe. Make sure to remove the baking soda bags when you want to wear your shoes. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.